Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. So it is the new week and therefore we are going to give you guys a new juice to help kick those ailments, okay? So as you guys can see, we have a couple ingredients. I tried to keep it really straight to the point and simple. So we have beets, we have red apples, we have lemon, and then we have some ginger off to the side. So I'm gonna kind of give you guys like a quick little rundown of the benefits, just a couple key points. I'll list more in the description box of each item that we're using, and then obviously you guys will see how much of each ingredient that we're using. You guys, my hand is stained from the beets. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Again, my name is Angie. This is Life with Star. Welcome to Life with Star. This week's video is a juice video. If you're not into that, you should be, because it's awesome for your body, and these juices that I make are freaking delicious. And this happens to be one that might be in a book. I don't know. Like I said, if it's your first time here at the channel, welcome. If you find this video to be interesting and pleasing to your spirit, then go ahead and subscribe today. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss a single video that's coming your way, honey. Like, comment, share, hunty. And yes, and then follow us on our other social media platforms, which I will list in the description box below. All right, let's get started. So first up, beets. This is a beetroot, you guys. This is a beet. Super vibrant in color, delicious, and super beneficial to our health and our body. So some random key facts, just really quickly, just gonna jot them out there, is it helps with your blood pressure, it keeps your heart in good shape, may help prevent cancer, may help with some respiratory issues or problems, can help with your eyesight, increase your stamina, aka maybe the bedroom, and then it can help reduce or prevent possibly dementia. And then it actually helps in the purification and just the overall healthiness of our blood system and keeping the blood flowing better and properly. So that's some random benefits of beets. All right, so next we have our apples. So I actually have three Envy apples, and I have actually one Gala apple. They're all red apples, you guys. Like, for the purpose of this juice, it's really not gonna make that big of a deal. If I was making the juice for somebody else, I would have made sure that they were all the same, but even still, it's really not that much of it's not that much of such a difference that it's going to cause harm to the quality of the juice that we're making, okay? But I've talked about apples in a previous video, but if you don't know, obviously an apple a day keeps the doctor away. If you didn't know, apples actually put you in a really good mood. So if you're ever in a funk and you're just not having like a great day, try eating an apple and see if your mood changes. So apples actually can help with your bowel movements, your digestive system, you guys. It has lots of good fiber in there, can help treat anemia, can help control diabetes. It can actually help with the blood vessels in your system, which actually go hand in hand with those beets that we added in here. Also can help cure respiratory issues or problems. And then are beneficial for certain effects on the skin. So apples in conjunction with the beets are definitely a powerhouse or power group of items to have together. So some benefits quickly about lemon. So obviously an immune booster. It says that it actually can kind of help improve heart conditions, anti-inflammatory, helps with constipation, just your overall nervous system. Again, knowledge is power, you guys. So do some research. Obviously consult with the doctor before you do any drastic changes to your diet. But those are just some random. Oh, and lemons actually can help with your iron consumption or iron absorption, sorry. And then lastly, you guys, we have ginger, which is always my favorite to add to a good old juice. Ginger is anti-inflammatory, so it has tons of benefits. And I love to put a little bit of ginger in almost any juice that I make. Well, not every juice, but majority of the juices. You really can't go wrong. I try to take a ginger shot at least every day or every other day. So that's just a whole nother video. We can give you guys a video about some wellness shots here in the future. But some random little, and I've talked about ginger on the channel before, but it's just some random little key facts. Like I said, anti-inflammatory, can treat digestive issues. So if you have a lot of flatulence, gas, if you're having like a lot of diarrhea episodes and stuff like that, definitely consume you some ginger. It might actually help with period cramps. And actually I've made a juice before, I don't know if I posted it on the channel though, that involved beets and ginger. And I've told you ladies before, because of the beets helping with the blood flow, like it can help ease your period cramps, like your menstrual cycle. And then also ginger may reduce nausea. It might increase a little bit of sexual activity. So, you know, this drink might kind of put you in a mood. I don't know. Also, ginger, if you kind of want to drink like a pre-workout drink and include ginger in it, it can actually increase your sweating, which might be good for you, obviously, if you're working out. So anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and get to juicing. Let's get the show on the road. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna drop this whole entire piece of lemon, okay, right in the chamber. So we put the whole piece of lemon in the chamber, small, medium lemon. I mean, it's fairly small. That one was kind of small. And then I would say that we're going to add, so that's considered 1 apple, 2 apples, and then let's go ahead. I could put the entire beet inside the juice chamber, you guys, but I'm gonna chop it up just to take a little bit of stress off of my machine because this is not a cheap juicer. Okay, this is our Nama J2 cold press juicer, and it's an investment, and I want to see that it lasts me for a while. So we're gonna actually, oh shit, I dropped a piece of beet, y'all. A little rinse, 5-second rule. This is my house. All right, so we added the small medium lemon. Okay, we added 2 apples, 2 red apples. We added 1 medium-sized beet, and we're gonna add just a little chunk of ginger. All right, so we're gonna start with that and see what it yields for us, you guys. Let's go. Again, I do not get paid to hype up Nama Well juicers, but as you guys can see, the way that this produce is being broken down so easily, effectively, and quickly in our juicer, like, it speaks for itself, you guys. You can load a whole entire juice recipe in this machine, set it, forget it, come back to it, and enjoy. Although if they want to pay me for a little paid sponsorship or a little, you know, joint little venture, I'm not opposed to it, honey, because it's something I actually really believe in. It's like so good. So right now we're at about roughly 8 ounces of juice, you guys. So we're still going, and there's still a lot more produce left in the chamber. While that's finishing, I'm gonna go grab us a container. All right, so it's at 16 ounces, you guys, and there's still a little bit left over. So it's definitely, this is a 16-ounce container or glass container. So it's definitely going to exceed the size of the glass jar that I have, which is totally fine. We still see some pulp is coming out. Now, I know a lot of people get stressed out about juicing or just trying to extract juice from produce because you feel like the pulp is getting discarded and you're missing a lot of the fibrous benefits from your food. But the key is honestly to just invest. I know everybody just can't go out and get a 500 plus juicer system, but the key is to get a machine that can definitely extract the most out of your produce so that you aren't missing out on those much needed nutrients and benefits of each food group that we're using. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's done, which it appears to be. So we're going to, the sound of that, the color, you guys, is just so freaking beautiful. I can't wait to drink it, taste it, just enjoy it. It's gonna be super, super good, and I think that you guys are gonna like it too. Now, I'm not worried about there still being some juice left over because obviously it's not all gonna fit in here anyway, and we need to make our second batch. But let's pour some juice for you guys. Get excited. Look at that, y'all. Apple, beets, ginger, and lemon. Such a good drink to have daily, throughout the week, whichever. Definitely for my ladies, if you guys still have a menstrual cycle, you can definitely try to consume them more often before your period comes on, rather than during, because sometimes beets can make your period a little bit heavier. You just want to be careful. trial and error in it, to each its own, and definitely after. I'm just coming off the heels of mine, so this is going to be super, super yummy, and making sure that my blood flow is there and my blood cells have been replenished, and we can reduce that inflammation that sometimes occurs when you have your menstrual cycle. But you guys, not just for your menstrual cycle, like I said, we're all adults here, honey, and if you're not, then maybe you don't need to be here. But like I said, this drink can just maybe might increase your stamina, honey, and I'm sure your partner would definitely enjoy that. But there you go, you guys. Here is your juice, hunty, for the week. Enjoy. May I add, y'all, I just tasted this juice and it's freaking amazing. It has that nice kick from the ginger. It has that nice sweetness from the beets and the apple. It's so good, y'all. Y'all have to make this. Remember, we did 1 medium beet, we did 2 red apples, we did 1 small lemon, and we did a nice little chunk of knob of ginger. So freaking good. Y'all have to try it. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. I hope you did enjoy this video, and I hope you go make this juice today, honey. Or if you don't have the ingredients, go out to your local produce market and get to shopping so that we can get to juicing. Also, if you have that blender or that juicer in a box, it might be time to take it out the box, okay? It's tired of looking at you and you looking at it. Hello, somebody. But anyway, like I said, my name is Angie. This is Life with Star. I hope to see you guys next time. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share this video. Click the notification bell so you don't miss a single upload coming your way, honey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also follow us on our other social media platforms. Happy juicing, you guys. Spread love. It's free. It costs nothing. Have a good day. Enjoy your week.